And what is up, absolute gangsters? Another day in Koh Samui. Washed my hair so it's extra flat today. Let's get it. We are at Mountain Waterfall. We've just been driving around. We've got really nothing planned. Free waterfall, free parking, but you have to buy a drink, which, you know, isn't bad. So we got apple vitamin E Chubba Chewy drink. 30% red apple, white grape juice with aloe vera plus vitamin E. I mean, that sounds pretty good. Did cost us 40 baht, so $2 for this. We'll have to give it a go, but look where we are. I'm in paradise, and I was vibing, riding here. I was listening to some tunes, and it was such a vibe. I mean, let's get it. I'm excited for today. We'll see what happens. We're just kind of vibing around, to be honest. So there's two ways, left, right. So, I mean, the right is the right way, right? But let's crack this open, give it a go. Good apple taste. There are some little clumps of aloe vera in it, which is also good. So I give it a solid 6 or 7 out of 10. So yeah, I mean, look where we are right now. Look at it. Hopefully we can swim. I'm keen for a little swim. Nice little pit stop. You know what it is, we're getting old in here. We gotta pit stop away. And that's the mountain waterfall. So let's see what's happening. We might climb over here actually. See what's popping over there and we'll get back. You know me, I'm a bit of a mountain goat, so we're climbing up. Let's get it. Okay. And what is up? We are in this nice place. The water is so nice and cold. So we're going swimming. Wow, it is so nice and refreshing. We'll have a little slide down. Let's get to it. Wow, it's so slidable. It's not, I was kidding. Woo! Wow, I've got this place all to myself. There is no one else here. I mean, wow, wee! Okay guys, let's get into it. We are at another waterfall. I don't know what we're doing, but I just saw a sign for a waterfall. So we're at Hin Lad Waterfall. Oh wow, just like the atmosphere, like What up, legends? We've made it to Hawhin Waterfall. As you can see, not much happening here. Water's not very swimmable, but it's, wow, beautiful scenic wise. Beautiful scenic wise, yeah. 100% would recommend for scenic. Jungle, rock scrambling, love that stuff. Waterfall's not there, so it's just a fall. Yeah, I thought about that joke in German. I was like, ich bin auf meinem Weg zum das Wasserfall, aber da es kein Wasser so ist ein Fall. Nicht ein Wasserfall, ist nur ein Fall. Ja. Coole Dinger, ja, sehr cool. Ich bin ein Deutscher. Ja, cool. Und bis später dann mein Lieblingsfach. Rock scrambling is like the funnest thing like you can do. Like if you like do not rock scramble in your free time, like what are you doing? And you gotta get like really good at it. So then you can like, you know, kind of run through the rocks. Yeah, you don't want to get pretty good, but it's so cool. Recommend. That's a pretty cool shaped beacon. Again, another 7-headed snake. Whoa, that is the most coolest, like, big guy I've ever seen. Alrighty guys, we're back at Lamali Beach. We found a nice spot on a bit of rubbish, and a bunch of rubbish under a bit of shade. But lots of people down there, not so many people down there. I'll have a walk and a swim, but right now we're gonna eat some food. I got curry puffs, I got 1 coconut and 1 chicken. They were 20 baht each. That is banging. That chicken one was something. Now we've got coconut, which looks a bit different. I've never had coconut curry, so let's try. Nah, that is amazing. Oh my god. That's a 12 out of 10. That just tastes so good. That's so good. The best pastry I've had on this trip. Delicious. But you get the gist. That is some good coconut curry puff pastry. Next up we've got the blackest bananas you'll see, because my tent is about 40 degrees during the daytime and I left them all day yesterday. So we've got a banana, peanut butter and jam sandwich. I have just realized I've been having like 6 bananas like a day. Or today I've had like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bananas. I have a lot of bananas. But I'm just thinking, bro, I'm like Omar with his potassium maxing right now. Potassium maxing. Bro, my man Omar, he was on this potassium maxing. He's like, oh my god, he has such a sharp jawline. Banana. Eat banana. I'm banana potassium matching right now. Oh my bro, I'm feeling you. I'm really feeling the effects right now. It hitting hard right now, bro. What time is it? Oh, carrot and swim time. Let's get to it.
Oh yes.
These guys are called like the unicorn fish because I'm pretty sure they're poisonous because I've got that one. I got that one barb that I'm pretty sure can inject poison in you. It's cool.
Ah, souvenir, souvenir.
Aaron would love these, bro. Bob Marley pants. They got the toads and live eels in there, bro. All the fish are live, they weigh them live, take them out of the water. We're just driving around aimlessly, couple waterfalls with Zon, it's been good. Stopped at some markets, just vibing honestly, listen to some tunes. Alrighty guys, back at camp. While driving here on my moped, I saw a lot of people lighting fires and like tapping glass bottles. So there's some tradition or, you know, ceremony happening. What's up, guys? Camping, chilling. Alright, we've got some things to try. Just had some dinner, but we've got these weird looking things. They're like cucumbers or whatever. Haven't had them before, so let's give them a go. Tastes a bit like green, but it tastes alright. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Next we got this thing, which I think is a cucumber. Tastes like a capsicum, but way more sour. Really bitter. Give this one a 2. Let's try and fruit and veg with Liam. Let's get it. Hey, we're doing a bit of nightlife in Koh Samui. I haven't really done it yet, so we'll see how it goes, but we're at 7-Eleven parking right now. There are mopeds everywhere, bro. 7-Eleven is like... Alrighty guys, updates are... Just looking for something. I'm just looking for something. Bit of nightlife. Have a look. I haven't had really explored the nightlife in Koh Samui yet, so we're having a look. Well, there you go. Fisherman's Village has a pretty good nightlife. They had tons of markets, the amount of anime stores everywhere, really cool. Anime, belt stores, just cool graphic tees and everything, really cool. Good souvenirs and everything as well. No, it was very cool. I did enjoy that. Lots of markets, lots of bars. They had a little fire show going. Oh my god guys, I just like drove down all through this club area and it was absolutely hectic. Oh my god, like it's insane.